You know that it's not being recorded. Huh? Anything that about huh? Yes, voice. Okay, then this minus F
Sir,
friction. What is formula of friction? We know the formula of friction is mu into N, mu into Ma. This is coming 5 minus mu value is root 3 by 2. N value is this cos 30.
So you are lagging.
The weight. Maybe how much mass one is. Here mass value 1 into 8. 1 into so the answer is coming minus 2.5. Will you accept this answer minus, or what will you do now after this?
Sir,
Uh-huh.
we are taking mass as 1 kg.
Yeah, weight is 10 Newton, no? 10 Newton is the mg value. What is value of mass coming here? 1, no?
1. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the value of A coming? Minus 2.5. What will you do immediately now? Tell me, what will you do?
0. A is 0.
0 is 0.
Yeah, therefore write here A equal to 0. Therefore A equal to 0, then does the body move or the body does not move? Tell me.
At rest.
The body is at rest. Okay. How much is the friction then? Tell me what is the value? Therefore, force of friction you can write here. Therefore, force of friction equal to how much? What is the force of friction? How much? Tell how much is no, it's fluctuating, but see, no, stay here for a while. No, I'll let you know. So, how much is the force of friction here? Boys, tell me. How much is the force of friction? Say fast, please. Huh?
So just enough to hold the body.
How much value?
10 sine 30.
Came back fluctuating.
So F minus 10 sine theta is equals to MA.
To know the force of friction, you will go back to the first step here, first this equation which we have made. A value must come 0. How will it come 0? When this quantity and this quantity are equal. Then only the value of A will come 0, no? So what is the value of this quantity? 10 sine 30 value is how much? Ultimately, we are getting the value how much coming here. After simplifying it, how much is the value we are getting here? 5, no? So then force of friction is same as this value, 5. Therefore, right, force of friction is equal to 5 Newton. Answer. That is answer. Okay? Okay, boys, tell me first.
Yes, sir.
We have a number 15 there. Just see. Question number 15 on page number 20. Page number 209. Question number 15. We are doing question number 15 now. from page number 209, number 15. Okay, I read the question. Of mass m equal to 2. Final is equal to 1 kg. The coefficient of friction between the body of when the table is 0.6 and the value of G is given 9.8. Find first part A, the force of friction, B, tension, and C, acceleration. Fine. So we draw a diagram first. Question says, on a rough horizontal table, there is a table here. We have a mass, small m, is equal to 2 kg lying on the table. And this one is connected by a string. The string over here and a hanging mass is here. 1 kg. Mu value is given, and mu is given 0.6, and the value of G is given 9.8. 9.8 meter per second squared. These are the two values given. First, we have to find the force of friction. After that, we have to find tension. Last part, we have to find acceleration. Okay. Tell me now, how will you proceed with this one? Of the hanging mass. What is the weight of the hanging mass? mg, capital Mg. That means one, the value of G is 9.8. The answer is coming 9.8 Newton. I'll find this one first. Weight of the hanging mass I'll find first. This hanging mass will be having tendency to go down, and this will have tendency to move in this direction, like this. This way, this is having tendency to move like this. What direction will the friction be acting? Friction will be acting in the direction opposite to the motion or opposite to the tendency of the motion. Tendency the body has to move. Okay. Now, can we form equation here? Tell me, how do you form the equation? Form the equation of the motion of this mass.
Tension minus m is mg is equals to m a mg.
What? Tell once again. Say once again. Say no. Very simple. This one mg must be bigger than friction. Then only the motion will take place. No. So we'll be writing that this mg minus f is equal to motion of both the masses. That is m plus m into a. I will write like this. Mg value we already calculated 9.8 minus friction. What is the formula of friction? Mu n. Mu value I'll take 0.6. Normal reaction on this mass. This is mg is acting downward here. Normal reaction will be upward direction. Mg value will come 2 into 9.8. The answer comes 19.6. 0.6 into 19.6 is equal to the two masses are added. 2 plus 1 into a. Let us calculate. This is coming 9.8 minus. Please use calculator and tell me how much is the answer you are getting here. 0.6 into 19.6. What is the answer? Yeah. Please share the answer. Say fast. 0.6 into 19.6. How much is the answer?
11.76.
11.76.
How much? Okay, 11.76 is equal to 3a. Let us find the value. This minus this. What is the answer coming? Minus something, isn't it? How much? Please be quick, voice. You must be using calculator, no?
Minus 1.96.
Minus 1.96 is equal to 3a. What will you do now? After having this system, what will you do it immediately now? Tell me.
So 0.
Will you accept
A
this
is 0.
answer? Yeah, make it 0. Yes, yes. Therefore, A is 0. So we have the answer for the last part coming, acceleration value is coming 0. That means no motion is taking place. Motion will not be taken. First, I assume that motion is taking place, but now we check that the motion should not take place because A is coming negative here. How much is the friction now? Tell me we'll answer the first part. What is the value of friction now? How much is the value of friction?
9.8.
Yes. To check the value of friction, you come back to the first line. Okay, this equation. You will come back to this equation. This equation you will be coming back to. A must come 0. To have A value 0, this quantity must be equal. No, then only the answer will come 0. That means friction value will be equal to this value, 9.8, and this side friction value must be equal. Then only the A value will come 0. Right answer, 9.8 Newton. This is the value of friction. What is the second part of question? What you have to find out? Tension. Tension here. This tension is here. T. We can see this T. Actually, I'm supposed to write T minus F equal to MA. But A0, we know A0. Therefore, T equal to F. I can write that. Did you understand this step, or to explain once again? What do you say?
So once again,
Have you understood this? Actually, according to the rule, I am supposed to write P minus F is equal to MA. And A is what here? 0, no? M into 0. A is how much? A. What is the value of A? 0, no? No motion. What is the value of P coming in? P will be equal to what? F or not? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of tension now? Right here. Therefore, T is equal to how much? T is equal to friction. What is the value of friction? 9.8. This will also be 9.8. And the last answer we already got A0. Already calculated here. A value 0. The value of A negative we never accept and we make it 0. Okay. Now we are doing the
Sir.
next question. Yes,
Sir.
yes.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Yeah, tell no. Okay.
Sir,
okay,
if there is a surface, no, sir.
Uh-huh.
If there is one surface, sir, it applies normal motion, a normal force.
What if?
Sir, if you apply force to a surface, no, sometimes it breaks, no. So then what will happen that time?
What will break?
Sir, there is a surface, no, then sir,
Force.
sir, on a surface, if you apply force, no. Sir, sometimes it breaks, sir, then what happens to the normal reaction?
Sometimes it breaks, you are saying to mean. What is the meaning?
Yes, sir.
What breaks? The force will break one angle with horizontal, then only it will break into component, no? And then
Sir,
we'll
sir,
check
the
normal action
surface
value
will
how
break.
much coming. Surface will break. Send the diagram, okay, on my group, then I'll see what you want to ask. The question is not clear only. We are doing question number 14. Question number 14. Okay. Question says a 5 kg, a 10 kg, 20 kg set of blocks are attached as shown in figure 11-42. I think previous chapter's figure, but I remember the figure. Okay, I'll draw the figure. The pulley is frictionless and spring weightless. If the acceleration of 10 kg block, assuming the coefficient of friction between table and the 5 kg block to be equal to that between table and 10 kg block, if the tension in the string is segment of the, find the tension in the string in various segments and coefficient of friction. Two things you have to find. Now we are doing question number 14. Okay. So figure is given like this. There is a tabletop, one mass, another mass. There is a hanging mass here. 5, 10, this is 5 kg, 10 kg, this is 20 kg. Okay. These are the masses. Diagram is given. Figure 11-42, the diagram is here only. This is the diagram. Coefficient
So
of
we need to
friction.
remember that figure number also, that always that 1142
No, no,
corresponds
no,
to this diagram.
it will be given in the question paper, the diagrams. In the book, they are given, no, figure 11 point, that same figure is being followed here in this question. When it comes in exam, this figure will be given. How will you remember that? 11, figure 11-42? This will only be given.
Yes, sir.
You have to find acceleration in the masses given 2. The acceleration value is given 2. That means the body is already moving. Acceleration value. You have to find two things. You have to find the friction, you have to find, and you have to find 10 segment of the string. Two things you have to do. How will you do now? First, you will find the weight of this hanging mass. What is the weight of the hanging mass coming here? Tell me, how much?
200
Weight of
Newton.
the hanging mass is 200 Newton. Okay, right. M1 is A3G is coming. Equation. What equation would you write? Tell me. Plus M2. Masses 35. Into value we know 200 minus 70 is coming 1. Therefore, mu value is coming 150. The answer is coming 50. Boys, is it okay?
Sir,
Like,
so you are getting lost in between.
So your voice is also cracking.
so now it's okay.
No, sir.
Sir, it is not okay.
So your voice is cracking.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Understood. All right. Say no.
Yes, sir.
Mu value is coming 13 by 15. After that, you have to find the tension in each segment. Suppose tension out here I'll mark as T1, tension in this segment I'll mark as T2. How to find T1? This T1 will move this block, but friction of this block will be acting like this. I'll be writing this T1 minus F1 is equal to M1A. I'll write like this. Now I'll find the answer now. T1 minus mu value we found just now, 13 by 15. 13 by 15 into F1 is mu into n. Normal action is equal to weight. That means this is coming 50. M1 is 5 into A value is given 10. Now let us find the answer. T1 is coming. You can cancel it. 5 3s are 5 10s are 50 plus 130 by 3. So T1 answer is coming. 3 is LCM. 150 plus 280. 280 by 3. Divide 280 by 3. How much is the answer coming?
So acceleration is 2, no?
Oh, acceleration is 2. Oh, sorry. Acceleration is 2. Yeah. This is coming 10. This is coming 160 by 3. 160 by 3 Newton. In the book also they have given answer 160 by 3 Newton. Done? Now can you find T2
Yes, sir.
value? What is value of T2? What is value of T2?
T
T2 value is
minus
how much?
F1 plus M2 is equals to M1 plus M2A.
Very good. That's what you are understanding well. T2 minus friction of both the blocks, that is F1 plus F2 is equal to M1 plus M2A. Now I'll find T2 value. T2, that means mu value we have 13 by 15. Weight of both the blocks I'll take now. Mu into weight of normal reaction of this, normal reaction of this, that is weight. This is coming 50, this will come 100 is equal to 15 into A value is 2. T2 value we can calculate 13 by 15 into 150. 30 here, 15 tens I will go. So T2 value is coming 30 plus 130, then T2 value is coming 160. 160 Newton. This value you can find, get the answer in decimal, 53.3 is coming. Please check the answer with the book, it must be matching.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give some questions for you to do at home, okay? Homework. Try it. If you don't get it, then I'll do. And again, now we'll start new chapter, okay? The new chapter will be, I'll tell you new chapter, which one we will do, okay? Question number, page number 209, question number 7, question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, number 16, number 16, number 17, number 18, and number 19, number 1.
Sir,
3, number 23. 23.
So can you repeat after 18?
sir, sir.